It is time for another house update with your host, Joopy. Joopy. He's like, I'm having snacks. Don't bother me with the facts. Okay, so it's just a small update. I put together this little end table type thing that goes behind your couch, and then I raised it to as high as it could go. And it's still a little low, maybe. I mean, it's pretty good. If I wanted to raise it higher, I would need like 3 bricks or something to put underneath, you know. But I think it's pretty good at the highest height. I love that it has 2 outlets and 2 USB on both sides. Because getting behind there, also my outlets behind the couch are 2-prong, not 3. So I have to use adapters like all over the house because it's an old house that doesn't have updated outlets. Now I did have my landlady's engineer person, house manager, upgrade a couple of the outlets, like the one at my computer and the one in my office. But they really all need to be upgraded, and more outlets need to be put in. Like, there's no outlet on the porch. We really need to get an outlet out on the porch so I could put lights out up there, you know, plug in different, oh, look at a little guy. So my phone actually fell yesterday, and now there's this really interesting light break in the middle of the screen, which doesn't seem to be problematic too much, but I think that only started when my phone fell. But hey, it's still working. Everything seems okay. So, and there's Luna. Good morning, girl. Luna. Luna. I think Luna's like, I'm waiting for breakfast. Where is my breakfast? Look at that sweet little boy. He's the sweetest little guy. See, Joopy's got food everywhere. He's got a scratching post. He's got an air purifier to keep the food safe. He's got his special water bowl. But then he's also got the stainless steel fountain back there. And then he's got a little mat for, you know, other stuff. And then he's got his dry food. And then he's got wet food. And then you've got Luna. Look at those eyes. She's a sweet little girl. Then you got a squirrel. Look at that squirrel. Little guy. Being so adorable. And then you have Julia's light that she gave me, which I fixed because the tail broke off. And the S-hook got lost in the weeds somewhere. So I actually bought more S-hooks. Whoa. Be careful, little squirrel. Be careful, look both ways. Okay. Careful. Oh my god, you see how he's hopping? It's so cute. Where is he going? He's like checking out this branch that fell down. Anyway, that's the update. That's the update. Pigeon. Stop that pigeon. Luna, you ready for breakfast? You hungry? You hungry? Let's see if she licks her lips. If she goes, nom, nom, nom. If she goes, nom, 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 that means she's hungry and ready for breakfast. Let's see if she does it without any prompting. This is how we'll know. Luna. 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 Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Nobody knows if you're hungry or not because you're not going chomp, chomp, shabomp, bomp. Wait a minute, where'd Joopy go? Now let me know. Is that a Star of David on the floor? It kind of, you know, it's got the triangles. It's like a Star of David, but I mean, it's more Star of David than I think anything else, right? It's kind of Star of David-esque with a flower in the middle, which is kind of cool. Put this over there. There. Okay. Anyway, that's the update. Oh, and I put this here to hold the snacks for my delivery drivers. I got this at an estate sale for like $2. This is something, and I noticed something like this on Amazon that's not even as nice as this would cost over $100. So I got that for $2. I think with shipping it was like maybe 20 tops. So that was really cool. And I cleaned it up all nice and I restained it and stuff. Then anyway, that's the update. Greetings from House Hippo Central. What should I update next? You got any ideas? You know what I'd like to update? I would love to put a fan right there. But you would need to make sure that something is supporting it, you know, in the ceiling. Anyway, oh, I do have one other update I'm going to be doing for autumn. Okay, so, here. Okay. So, my other update is I got this wreath, which I'm going to put kind of like sideways like that. And then I got a cute little owl, well, a cute little plush owl, little handmade owl. And I'm going to sit the little owl in there and then hang it. But I'm not going to hang it from this. I'm going to hang it like that. And I can either hang this here on the door, or I could hang it on the mantle. I was thinking about hanging it like on the mantle. Like move the painting and then hang this over here. Wait, hold on. We gotta move some stuff. Let's move a couple things. Okay. Move a couple things. We'll move the painting. I do like the painting. Okay. And then we gotta move the other painting. Okay, and then if I put a nail like in the center there, we could hang this. That. Put that up there. It's a little small for the space. But if I hang that in the middle and then put like 2 sconces on either side. Ooh. Then I also, I'm so excited. Then I have this little fall garland with incandescent little bulbs. And that's actually going to go underneath the mantle. So for Christmas, I do the garland on top. But I think for Thanksgiving and autumn, I'm going to put it underneath. And I noticed that I think they had that before because you can see little nails that are bent going across. So it's already set up to do it. So let me do that and then I'll take another photo. And then I'm going to put that. Okay.